Okay, we're out here in the middle of the rain. Yes, I seen a deer run out here. Ran in back of the garage there. This is how I want it to hopefully rain tomorrow afternoon. And unfortunately, let's say Friday afternoon too, so that way, and if they overschedule and there's 3 or 4 of us outside pushing carts, I don't know. I just would like to be sent home early, so that way I can, like you would say, go home and go home early. You know, an hour or 2 early would be nice. I wouldn't mind it if it's in here. Like I said, I wouldn't mind being sent home early tomorrow at 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Now Friday, I wouldn't mind being sent home at 6 or so, or even 7. 2 hours negative is better than, let's say, 3 hours negative. I don't want to total it to 6 hours negative, so if y'all could pray for it to rain heavy like it is now for tomorrow afternoon and Friday afternoon. Rain like this for about, let's say, 4 hours. It'll keep it nice and slow. They'll send me home early. Menards will, I guarantee ya. Because if there's more than one of us, and pray that there is 4 of us that they don't want using the register out there at once. Because, like I said, I would love to be sent home early tomorrow, even Friday. Just because if they were to send me home early, I would be able to come home tomorrow, even Friday, come home. Because I gotta be up, quite frankly, at 4 a.m. on Saturday. So I gotta be to work by 4. So if it can rain like this, and rain good, I'll say this, then I should be able to come home. Amber and her manager team will send me home early. It's just because, too, like with Saturday, they ain't gonna send me home early. If it rains like this Saturday, there's too many cart pushers, so they'll just have me do returns. I'll tell you that much. I'm not gonna say that part, but yeah, I want that. I wouldn't want to be sent home early on Saturday. But, you know, I'm going to say, yeah, I'd be alright with if Menard sent me home early on Saturday. But, reality is, even with Sunday, I wouldn't mind being sent home early on. But, reality is, even if it rains heavy like it is now and I get sent home early, I still would get all 3 of my breaks. So,